We're gonna take the bike out. It's about 40 degrees. Ice cold. Someone pulled it out of the garage. I removed the baffles. Well, they decided to remove themselves. Me and Marshall went for a ride. They went out the back. So, well, they did when we got home. All right, who's ready to go?
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up.
Marshall made a purchase. You like your purchase, Marshall?
Better than I like you.
Wow. That was ignorant. Ignorant. That was ignorant. But we just went and swapped some tires around because, well, those are puny. And, well, Marshall wants to have some fun at some point. You're going to have to subscribe to see what we do or what he does with his new purchase. But for right now, we got to get some tires mounted so you can see what they are. Look, he disappeared. See, and before anybody goes, why would you do that? Yeah.
Why wouldn't you do it?
Just, it's a 2500 HD.
Yep.
6.0.
Cross member is also in great shape too.
Is it? Oh, no, the back of that frame is shot.
It'll definitely hold whatever we put at it.
Uh-huh, sure, we'll go with that.
That should be high enough.
Marshall says there's plenty of clearance. And before I show you guys the wheels, they're nothing fancy, but they fit the truck.
Yes, they're
Personality-wise, right?
Sure. These two, but I'm not gonna waste my time.
You have the center caps for them and you're worried about them? Yeah, perfect room. I don't think it would hurt to make some more clearance for it. It would just be cutting out the bad, that's all.
Yeah.
The stock ones are just about an inch taller, maybe 2 inches. When it's 6 inches off the ground. There's a bit of tire here. I mean, there's not much left here, but a big tire.
Look how pretty that tire is.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. He's a very small man. Ish. All right, you ready? 1, 2.
Maybe.
You're doing great.
Not going. Okay, it's really not going.
It's level. Yes.
Pretty good.
But the concrete's 4 inches lowered back here. Stock 37s. Is your tie rod worn out?
Yeah. It's worn out over here.
Okay, do it. I think your whole rack's moving.
Isn't it?
No, that's not your rack.
Yeah, tie rods. And then you got brake.
That brake sound amazing. Oh dear. Go ahead, shaky, shaky. Your upper ball joint too.
Is it?
Well, the boot's not on there and it's rusty.
As soon as it sets down, it's hit. Oh.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh, that'll move right out of the way. We're good.
just a slight bit of rust. If you lop it off right about here, you'll be golden.
Yeah. Only a little bit of tetanus shot.
Oh my, just a little.
New.
You're doing great.
New. New. New.
Great, you're 1 for 6. Oh, no, you got 2? Oh, there you go. Look at you.
2 out of like 20.
You're 2 out of 5. Oh, you're so strong. So, all 4 are on. Way to go, Marshall. Way to go. If you want to know if you can fit 37s on a stock truck, 2500, you can. You can't turn. Oh, no, no. Hold on. That's minor. Ah. Keep going. Yeah, we gotta cut the bottom of the fenders off. How much you want to cut? Wait, so you want to cut here?
Maybe.
When it's only touching at the bottom. Why you pop a hood?
See
Yeah.
how much we could chop.
It's a bumper.
Bump steer, you never know. It might hit over.
Nah. Nobody's worried about that. Listen, bottom of your fender. 6-0. I'm not going to put a price on it, but if anybody knows anything about LS swaps, this dude paid for the whole truck, running and driving, as much as it costs for an LS swap. Just a motor, not anything else, just
And it's Ratata cable drive.
cable drive, the whole 9 yards. Yeah, as much as what people want for the motor is what he paid for this entire truck. So yeah. And these 37s are basically like,
Great.
there's 2 good ones. They were got 2 good front ones. The rear ones are like bald. So we do certain things with bald tires.
Burn them.
Yeah.
Which you'll see in a later video.
Maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Ooh, shit.
There's wires in there. Don't cut them.
I will.
You're doing great. You're almost there.
What am I hitting though?
Probably, I don't know, something important probably.
No, it's not.
You're almost there. You just cut through the new rockers. That's it.
I plan to if I have to. anything important in there? Hello?
You have a little bit more to cut.
I'm gonna break that. Like that.
I hope I caught that on camera.
Yeah, that'll work.
There you go. What am I supposed to do with this? Oh yeah, perfect. Rub it on the inner fender. You're good. Keep going. Ooh, she said no. Just,
We are good.
yeah, just a slight bit of rub. Later, girl.
Guys, try to find Dino! Where's the rainbow? Dino! I heard that little girl, that girl's name. What's our name?
Carson, say cheese. Looking.
Oh, no, cheese! What the?
There's Daddy. There's Daddy.
No idea why he's scared. None. Saturday before Easter. And well, one of our favorite affordable places to eat is Truck World. It's cheap and it's good, so we're gonna.
Logan's got some pretty eyes.
He's like he does.
Carson's got poop eyes.
Mama.
Will you let the chocolate cow alone?
No, they're mine.
Okay.
I think my eyes are like a tealish green.
They're blue.
Yours are blue too. Daddy's are poop eyes too.
My bad.
Carson's the only one who got his eyes.
Okay, restart.
Tell him, Logan or Carson. Gotcha.
Rachel.
Did that hurt? I bet that did.
Carson.
Carson.
He just again.
Is that nummy? Nummy.
He
Nom, 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 nom.
Julia. Carson said nummies. Yeah, so
That's a lot of cheese. Well, we're going to eat ours.
Right.
He's gonna die.
You sucked her food.
Listen, eat your cheese.
No.
Okay.
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Oh.
Sit down, you bonehead.
He's covered me in sauce.
Alright, guys. Alright. That was an eventful day. As you can see, The sun is setting behind me. And today was, well, just another day in my life. Well, it's actually the day before Easter. So, but, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, or today's shenanigans with Marshall and I. And, well, hope you enjoyed the sound of the bike a little bit. Maybe some of the clips flying by. But, as always, guys, birds are chirping. It's time to go inside. Time to dye some eggs. And with that being said, ow, that exhaust is hot. It's your project. Do it your way. This is how I'm doing mine. And I'm ready to go inside. Later, guys. Walk off into the sunset. All I want to do is ride my motorcycle.